Hey you guys, my name is Erica and welcome back to my channel, Everything Joy. As you can see by the title of the video, I'm doing a review on this wig from ALIPEARL. I had to think about that. But if you're interested in that, please keep watching. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a headband wig from ALIPEARL. It comes with a wig cap, a thank you card. It also comes with a how to care for your wig. So this is helpful to show you how to maintain your wig. It comes with two headbands, a red one and a black one. It also comes with a scarf for your edges. And that is pretty much it. And this is me just doing my edges because if you have a headband wig, the edges have to be on fleek.
Talking no action, talking I'm savage, a handsome young bachelor. Talking the knack is my dogs really cat. Craving no way, we have birds in the cat.
I'm recording here and I'm recording here, so it's just throwing me off. Not used to that. Was always recording on my cell phone. So guys, that is pretty much it. I took off the headband, so now I'm just wearing this regular black band and it's all down. So as you can see, you can style it up, you can style it down with the headband or without the headband. So I feel like this was a great buy. To me, I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's just easy to just throw on and go. The hair feels so soft. And I bought this, you know, wig with my own money. Like, this is, you know, I'm just doing a review. But I bought this with my own coins, and to me, it was worth it. Like, you literally can throw it on and go. I have been really wearing it for the past, like, a week or so. So, I like the hair. And I was just combing it to try to make it big, but... yeah, but anyways, I gotta move fast because my camera is about to die and I don't have the charger that came with it. I lost it. So anyways, thank you guys for just sticking it out with me during this video. I got a new camera. I'm just learning settings and learning microphone issues. So I'm hoping that this video came out perfect for you guys, but if it didn't, hopefully it did. But yeah. So this is the hair. I'll link everything, like the link below. Like I said, I bought this wig with my own money, and for me, it was a great buy. I just literally throw it on and go. You can wet it, it'll curl right back up, and then once it dries, it get kind of, you know, of course it gets bigger. And I like it. I do. I like it. I gotta find my other headband. I don't know where it's at. But anyway, so to me it was a good buy. So I absolutely liked it. I feel like now it's looking crazy just because I really can't see. I'm not looking in the mirror. But you could just, you know, style this wig how you like. I'll insert some pictures if, I don't know. I'll probably insert some pictures so you guys can see how it really looks. But it's a good buy. I think it's worth it. Something to just throw on, sis. Like, y'all should get it. You can wear it to work if you know, work or whatever. Work like a corporate job. Like, you can throw it on for work, or if you work in fast food, wherever you work, you can just throw it on. Like, it's something you can just throw on and go. So I really love it. It was a great buy. Money well spent. So shout out to ALIPEARL. Even though I bought it with my own coins. Will y'all send me the next one, ALIPEARL? Send me the next one. So, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys supporting me. I'm gonna try to keep these videos coming for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Bye.